Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Afro Paradox, and I'm here to talk about my keyboard experience and how I got into the keyboard scene. Because I just got into the keyboard scene on March. I was watching some people make keyboards, primarily Teha Types, and he got me interested. So I decided to buy the 1-2 Mini back there with red silent switches. It was pretty good for the time being. Great for gaming, you know, but I thought that was too small. I missed the arrow keys. Fast forward ahead, I went ahead and got the Tofu 65 with the Hotswappable board, novel key creams, and then GMK clip and stabs, because that was the only thing I can get. I didn't want to get anything else other than GMK. That was great for the time being, and then I decided to order other switches because I wanted some tactile feedback. Because when I'm playing, this is great, but when I'm typing, it feels a little weird. Sometimes I double click. So I bought the Drop Holy Pandas, advertised as unlubed, and I was reading the reviews. People were saying they were still lubed. I don't know how long they had it on the website saying it was unlubed, but I just thought those older posts or whatever, so I just decided to order it anyways. So a little time after, I decided that the Tofu 65 was a little too small for me. I needed some F keys, so I decided to get the KBD75 V2. It's right here, all complete, soldered and everything, with GMK 9009 and the brass plate in the back for extra weight. And these have the Holy Pandas. I did not get enough switches because Drop would put me in the back of the line if I cancel my order, then reorder it again. So 13 of these switches, pretty much the ones that don't matter, that I'm probably not gonna use, are browns. Lubed and filmed all of them. For me, this is an amazing keyboard. The Holy Pandas are amazing. The only thing that sucked is that they were lubed from the factory. They have globs all over them. That's it. Yeah, this is an expensive hobby, and pretty much for me, I had to buy each piece individual. They do sell kits, but they usually sell out quick, and especially with the hot swappable keyboard for people who are new, those get sold out real quick. Not so much for the solderable ones. Like, you could just go ahead and pick with, like, I'm pretty sure for any keyboard size over there, you can just go and pick one up. Soldering is not as hard as you think. This is my first time soldering, and it came out perfect. Everything works. Okay. I also made this cable soldering myself. Went on YouTube. I'm sorry I forgot his name. Maybe I'll link him. But he showed me how to do this. He showed me how to make these curls right here, the coils. And yeah, I made one instead of paying the full price. It was, in the end, it was pretty much a price of one, but the materials that you get, you can make a couple. You can make 2, maybe 3, depending on the size that you want. Like with this, I made 2. So I have another one with the aviator connector, and that's if you opt for the aviator connector. So my experience has been completely positive. I had no problems with it. It's really fun, especially if you're soldering it, making it yourself. You have this feel of accomplishment. You have something nice, something that you will use and it will last a long time, pretty much. So if you're looking into the keyboard scene, try to learn how to solder. Just do anything. It's not as hard as you think, like I said, but I'm pretty sure it will save you money when it comes to actually doing it, because people are gonna start buying what I saw, start buying the hot swappable ones and reselling them, and then you have to wait until it drops again. Yeah, so for the end part of this video, I got some shirts from Yetee They had a sale for $6. Might as well show off the shirts. They were random, so who knows what I got. So let's check it out. Pull out the first shirt. Get out of there. Packing slip. All right. We got Sky Cruiser. All right. What's this? I mean, if you know what these are, like logo, I don't know what they are. It's just random. Oh wow, this is pretty dope. I have I think a tank top of this. Summer Games Done Quick. Games Done Quick just finished this weekend. That's actually pretty. I did not expect that. Ooh. Alright. Alright. Green screen's off. We got Mario Sunshine shirt. Isle Delfino. Pretty dope. Oh, I already have this shirt. Another Games Done Quick shirt. Awesome to have a second one. I think it's Chrono Trigger, right? 2019, so they still have some shirts from back then. I'm not sure if they still have the sale, but awesome if you check them out. Supporting Doctors Without Borders when you buy their shirts for Games Done Quick. And remember, guys, if we get to 50 subs, I will be opening a whole bunch of cards, a whole bunch of Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Maybe not into Yu-Gi-Oh cards, but you know, I want to open this. Battle Servant. And this is the old packs. It has the old Konami logo on top. We got Labyrinth of Nightmare, Magic Ruler, before they changed the magic cards into spell cards. Rise of Destiny is still an old pack. It has a red Konami logo. And this is they bring 3 packs inside, and it's first edition. And also this special edition, the Ultimate Edition number 2. Maybe I'll get more if it takes too long to get there, but I think maybe we can get there. So please sub and like, comment if you want. Tell me what else you guys want to see. I will be making another video when I do receive the other keycaps from KBD fans and drop, which I'm getting the EPBT X Gak Kuro. And also the Red Samurai ones from GMK. So yeah, thanks for watching.